Hello there, this is the video for the sixth experiment of database lab. In this experiment I am going to explain about views, sequence and indexes. So in this my first topic is views. So how to create views and how to insert the values into the views. So these are some questions that you can see here to create views, to insert and update, to drop the view. So I'm going to show you all the query related to these questions. First one is to create a view having book number as ID number, book name as book and price. So since my book number, so here you can see that this is the syntax to create a view. Create view name. So my view name is book details as select book number as ID number, book name as book, comma price from table name book. So this is my table name book, and you can see this is my view name book details. So as you can see here, this is the syntax for the create view. Now how to insert into the view? Insert into view name values. So you can give the insertion as per the column details. So first one is my book number, second is book name and the price. So insert into view name. My view name is book details values, and inside the bracket you can give the values to insert. Now the third is to update the above view by arranging the books in alphabetical order. So again you can update it. So create or replace view book details ID book price as select book number book name price from book order by book name. So this will give you all the book names in the alphabetical order. Now fourth is to drop the view. You can drop the view like drop view name, drop view name. So drop view book details. So then the view will be dropped. The fifth one is to display the names of the book whose price is more than the average price above the created view. So you can see here select book from book details where price greater than, select average price from book details. So this is the inner query. Inner query gives the result for the price. So when the price is greater, it shows all the book details, all the book names whose price is greater than the average price. And the sixth one is to create a complex view. Complex view or materialized view you can create by, this is the syntax, create materialized view issue as select book name, issue date, issue card, dot mem number from book. So we are actually complex view. We can create this view by from more than one table. So that's why it is called complex view. So this is the syntax. So this is all about views. Now the second is about the sequence and the index. So this is the query for these are the questions for the sequence and index. The first one is to evaluate the speed of access using index by creating index for the book number attribute. So I have created a index, create index name. My index name is idx book name on book name. So this is the table name and inside is the column name. This is the index name. So index is created. Second is to create the sequence for the student register number and generate the primary key automatically and check the efficiency. So this is the actual syntax to create a sequence. Create sequence name. This sequence 1 is my sequence name. Start with, this is the membership number which I want to start with. increment by 1. So whenever a row is inserted, whenever a row is created, it will be incremented by 1. The membership number will be incremented by 1. The maximum value 16,000 cycle. So when the 16,000 values are inserted, again it will start from 1 to 16,000. So that's why it's the cycle. So in this way sequence is created. So we can insert into the sequence, like insert into membership values, sequence 1 dot next val, uh, and all the column names. So whenever you insert into the membership in a sequence, as you can see here, 1581 S3 5 inserted. So again here is evaluate the value of access using index by creating index for the student number. So this is the index for the student number. Create index student name on student. So student is the table name, and student name is the column name to be created, on which index is created. So yeah, this is the sixth experiment. Thank you for watching my video.